Learning Fridge.
Hello, I'm Chill the Robot. Today, let's explore how this amazing refrigerator works. Inside, a compressor circulates refrigerant to absorb heat, keeping everything cool and fresh. Modern fridges use smart sensors to maintain the perfect temperature for different types of food. Oh no, your ice cream is melting. Don't worry, I can help. Quick, let's put it in the super freeze zone. It uses rapid cooling to solidify it instantly. See? It's perfect now. Refrigerator insulation keeps the cold air trapped inside. Learning about technology is fun. Keep exploring and see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and hit the notification bell.